What happens after a protective order has been issued in Utah? Attorney Kelly Peterson explains that in the state of Utah, once an order has been issued, there are civil provisions as well as criminal provisions. The criminal provisions are generally no contact provisions, or there are limitations on the contact. Those do not go away without a court order. They are indefinite, and if someone violates that provision, that becomes a crime. All the petitioner then has to do is call law enforcement and advise that there has been a protective order violation of the criminal provisions. Police can then arrest or cite the violator. The civil provisions, on the other hand, relate to matters including temporary custody, temporary visitation, and temporary child support. If those provisions are violated, that would not be considered a crime. Protective orders can award custody, visitation, child support, or temporary possession of a home. In order to have the other party sanctioned for a civil provision, you would have to file a motion in civil court. The criminal provisions obviously last much longer, whereas the civil provisions generally expire after 150 days, unless specifically extended by the court. The civil provisions act as a band-aid to give the petitioner time to file, whether it be a divorce petition or a custody petition, and to get temporary orders in place in that new custody case. Often, it can take time to get temporary orders in place, and so this is a method of obtaining orders very quickly for a short-term basis until you can get into the proper court on those civil provisions. For a free phone consultation, call Attorney Kelly Peterson in Provo, Utah at 801-616-3301 or visit his website at www.kmpetersonlaw.net.